Let us start the numerical problem at the time of admission of a new partner. We are starting our practical questions in which the question is in your screen. Balance sheet of Ram and Shyam were share profits in proportion of their capital. So the profit sharing ratio is taken with the capital, and the capital of Ram and Shyam is 30,000, 25,000. So the ratio of capital is 30:25. So this ratio is converted into 5 6 are 30, 5 5 are 25. So the profit sharing ratio according to the capital is 6:5. So profit and loss, whatever is there, while after preparing a revaluation account, we distribute that profit or loss in the ratio of 6:5. So the students, we are learn how to prepare a revaluation account. For this, we have formed this example question. This is a balance sheet at the time of admission of a new partner, and these are the additional information regarding what is to be happen when the new partner is admitted in the question. So on 1st April 2018, they admitted Arjun into partnership on the following terms. These are the terms in which a new partner can be admitted, in which the first point is Arjun to bring itna as capital and itna as the goodwill, which is to be left the business, and he is to be receive 1/4 share of the profit. This point is not required to prepare a revaluation account, so there is no need to solve this point on that point where we are preparing a revaluation account. After that, the next point is provision for doubtful debt is to be 2% on debtors. Provision for doubtful debts decrease the value of the asset. So when the debtors are decreased, the value of decrease is to be shown at the debit side of the revaluation account. And the next is value of stock is to be written down by 5%. It means value of asset is decreased. So it is also be recorded in the revaluation account at the debit side. The next point, freehold premises are to be taken at valuation of 22,400. So please see what the value of the freehold is given in the balance sheet. And the freehold premises in the balance sheet is 20,000, and they are revalued at 22,400. It means the value of freehold premises is increased by 2,400. So when asset is increased, it can be shown at the credit side of the revaluation account. First of all, we discuss theoretically, and then after we show how to prepare these items in the revaluation account. So the next point is plant and machinery, 11,800. See the value of plant and machinery in the balance sheet, 13,500. At the time of revaluation, the value in the balance sheet is 13,500, but it's revalued at 11,800. It's decreased the value of the asset, and the difference in the decrease in the value of asset is shown in the debit side of the revaluation account, because the value of plant and machinery is decreased. So decrease in the value of asset is shown at the debit side of the revaluation account. The next is fixture and fitting, rupees 1,540, and vehicle 800. So the fixture and fitting is shown 1,750, and they are revalued at 1,540. They are also be decreased. So the difference is shown in the revaluation account at the debit side. And the vehicles shows 800, but in the balance sheet vehicle is 1,350. So the value of vehicle is decreased. So it is also shown in the revaluation account at the debit side. So student, please see what we have discussed in these points. So at the right side, you see the revaluation account, and all the values which are, all the assets which are decreased by their value is shown in the revaluation account at the debit side, and the assets which are increased, the value of increase is shown at the revaluation account at the credit side. So after balancing them, debit side is more than the credit side. So the balance of the debit side, while different items are shown at the debit side, their total is 3,715. This is equalized to the credit side, and at the credit side only the balance given by the freehold properties 2,400. So while subtracting the value of 2,400 from the total 3,715, the balancing figure at the credit side is loss. That loss is transferred to the partner's capital account in the capital ratio. Capital ratio is calculated earlier, that is 6:5. So the loss 1,315 is distributed in the capital ratio. Ram's share of profit is 717 and Sham's share of profit is 598. This can be transferred to the partner's capital account at the debit side. Thank you.